Hi everyone, for those of you who do not know me and this is the first time that you're watching my video, my name is Tato Mayongo, and on this channel I create beauty videos, vlogs, and coming soon I'm going to be creating some fashion looks. So today I'm going to be creating a hot pink look on the eye. It's going to be very easy, very simple, and it is beginner friendly. So let us get into the tutorial. I'm going to start off by applying my foundation, and this has become one of my faves. It's the Wet n Wild foundation and I am in the shade Toffee Pecan. This is the new Photo Focus foundation range that they launched towards the end of last year. I did say in my review that this foundation smells horrible, but it looks amazing. So if you haven't watched my review, I'm gonna put it up in the cards so you guys can check that out. I'm gonna add some more foundation because I want a more full coverage, because the look that I'm doing on the eyes is gonna be very dramatic. So I don't want my face to look too bare. This is a foundation that you need to build up. It's not full coverage from the get-go. I know I look really light right now and it looks as if it's not matching my neck. But I think also because I'm using lighting, so it is adding more of a lighter effect. But when I look at it in the mirror, it is matching perfectly. So just take that into consideration. For concealer, I'm using my fave, which is the Fit Me Maybelline concealer. As you can see, I am almost running out. Actually need to go and restock on some more because I just love how creamy it is and I love the yellow undertone. So because we're going full coverage, I'm gonna add more concealer than I usually would as well underneath the eyes, so everything just blends. To set that concealer, I'm taking my Yardley Absolute Translucent Powder. A trick I learned from a Leo J is that before you apply your powder, you just want to tap in the concealer again and just make sure that you get rid of the creases even before you start baking. So just go in one more time, press, go underneath your eyes. Just make sure that everything is set. Then you go in with the setting powder. I'm gonna dust that off with my dark mineralized skin finish powder by MAC. So it's just a compact powder. Make sure that your compact powder matches your foundation, otherwise you can end up looking really crazy. To start off the hot pink look, I'm using my Unicorn Source palette from Switch Beauty, and these are the colors I'm going to be working with. So this as well as this pink. So I'm going to start off with this one. Well, that's not really, it looks pink, but then it also looks purple at the same time, so I'm not sure actually. Okay, but let's just go with this row because I just feel like these are the pinks. So yeah, let's start off with this one first. And I'm just building that in the crease area. And I'm using a very light hand. Because I don't want any harsh line. Luckily, this is a palette that doesn't have much fallout. Usually, if a palette has a lot of fallout, I would usually first do the eyes before I start doing my base. So that actually is coming off as pink, so that's great. Or what I would do is that I will leave some setting powder underneath my eyes, and then any eyeshadow fallout is just caught by that. On camera it looks so light, but in person it looks like a bit of a dark pink, so yeah. So now on the lids, I'm gonna go in with this pink, and then I'm gonna use this for the inner corners just to darken it up a bit. So I just took a bit of black just to make it a bit darker because it wasn't coming out the way I wanted it to. So I want to clean up my eyes a bit, so I'm going to take a bit of concealer. So I'm going to use some blush. The eyes are very dramatic, so I don't need the blush to be too over the top. So I'm going to take my MAC Gingerly blush. It's a beautiful sheer blush. It's not too heavy. It's very, very light. I think I want to add a bit more, so I'm going to use the Essence Matte Blush as well. It's a bit darker. Just for more of a pop. But not too overwhelming because we already have the eyes. Yeah. Just to bring back some color to the face. I was looking a bit pale, you know. To contour, I'm just gonna take an eyeshadow from here. I'm gonna use Ebony. This is the first time I'm contouring with it, so for highlighter, I'm gonna use my Master Strobing Stick from Maybelline, and this is the gold one. It's really beautiful. So with this highlighter, I like to first put it on my beauty blender, then I put it on my face. I don't put it directly from the stick because sometimes things can go wrong. Alright, I am back. I just applied my Connie Transform lashes and this is in the style Champ. Also added some wing liner, which I hardly ever do, and I also lined my eyes with some black liner. Now for the lips, I'm going to mix these two. So this is NYX Lip Lingerie and this is Connie Transform and this is in Juanita. This is in Bedtime Flirt. So I'm first going to start off with this next one first. So it has a peach undertone to it. Now I'm going to add the gloss. So this gloss is sticky and it dries quickly, so you want to work fast with it. Alrighty. Now for some setting spray, my Maybelline New York Lasting Fix. Pat, pat, pat. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look. I think it was quite simple. I know a lot of people struggle with wing liner. I still struggle with it. That's why I had to do it off camera. But otherwise, I love this look. It's really cute. So we go dramatic on the eye, and then the rest of the face you want to be very soft, and you know, you can see the highlight was soft, the contour, the blush, everything of that sort. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it. Before I close out the video, our subscriber shout out goes to Mpumelelo Ndlovu. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. And we are still on the road to 500 subscribers, guys. Even though we didn't achieve it at the end of last year, it's okay. I'm still going to be giving the giveaway. So let's push and let's work hard. And I just want to thank you again for your support. I appreciate it. If you guys would like to support me, please would you subscribe? It's that red button down there. Also click the bell so you're notified of every time I post a new video. And don't worry, it's free. Mahala. I know a lot of things come with T's and C's. Not this one, people. It is free. The only thing it will cost you is your data, and that is about it. You don't have to pay a subscription fee or anything like that. Share it with your family. Let your friends know if they want to get their makeup did and they want to learn. They can come to the channel. They're welcome. Thank you guys for watching. May your day be ever flawless as your makeup.